Hello students, today we will learn factorizing perfect trinomial squares. Now you have already studied these two identities in your previous chapter, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square is equals to a plus b whole square. So this is a perfect trinomial square which follows this identity. And same here, a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is a minus b whole square. So the trinomials which are following this identity are called the perfect trinomial squares, and these things, this side is called the factor plus b whole square or a minus b whole square, they are the factors. So we will see that which trinomial is following this. Now let us move to the exercise 6d. Which are perfect trinomial squares? Write yes or no. For this, first we will see that which of the following trinomials are following the identity. Okay, here a square plus 10a plus 16. For this, how we are going to check? The first term is a square, that is the perfect square. Last term is 16, that is also the perfect square, that is 4 square. Okay, so this should be the first thing, that first and last term or any two terms must be the perfect squares. And third term would be the 2 into first term into last term, third term. So 2 into a into 4. What is 2 into 4? It's 8. So here it should be 8a, but it is given 10a. So it is not a perfect trinomial square. It is not following the identity. Now let us see the second one. Here first term is a perfect square, b square. Last is 49, that is 7 square. But here you can see it is minus. But in these identities you can see 2ab or b square is never negative. Here you can see this, b square is never negative, so it is not a perfect square. Now here x square is a square term, 4, you can see 2 square, so here it should be 2ab, that is 2 into 2 into x, that is 4x, but here it is 5x, so it is again not a perfect square. X square plus 10x plus 25. Here x is a perfect square, 25 is 5 square, and here it should be 2 into 5 into x, that is 2 5s are 10x. So it is correct. All the signs are correct and everything is correct, so it is a perfect square. In this way you can check all and you can write them as perfect or not perfect square. Let us do this big ones. Okay, this is 49m square, so you can write 7m whole square. Okay, this is 10n whole square. Now 7 tens are 70 and 72s are 140, so 2 into a into b. A is 7m, b is 10n. 2 sevens are 14, tens are 140 mn, so it is a perfect trinomial square. In this way you can check all and you can solve it in your copies in one step. Now B, find the missing term making a perfect trinomial square. Now here again same, we will use the same identity. So n square question mark plus 49. Now 49 is 7 square. So what will be the middle term? Middle term is always 2 into a into b. So a is n, b is 7. So 2 sevens are 14. 2 sevens are 14. So here it would be 14n according to the identity. X square minus question mark plus 25. Now again 25 is a perfect square, 5 square, and here it should be 2ab, that is 2 into 5, 10 into x is 10x. So here it should be 10x, that is 2ab. Here it is b square, 9, it is 3 square. So here it should be 2ab, that is 2 into 3 into b, that is 2 3s is 6, b. Question mark plus 16x plus 64. Now 64 is 8 square. Here it is missing. Obviously x is there, so here it should be x square definitely. Now let us see it is following 2ab or not. 2 8s is 16 into x, 16x. So we are correct. X square plus 16x plus 64. Now p square, it's a perfect square, minus 10pq plus question mark. See, here it is q, so definitely here it should be something q square type. Now let us see the digits. Here 10 should be 2 into 5, so here it should be 2 into 5 into p. 2 into 5 into p is the breakage of this here. Now here you can see its q is already there. So what is missing? 5. But we will not write 5 here. We will write 5 square, that is 25. So your answer is 25 q square. Okay. Now question mark minus 12x plus 9. 9 is 3 square. Okay. Here it is x, so definitely x square will be there. Let us check the digits. 12, you can write 3 to the 6 to the 12. So 2 into 3 is 6. We are left with 2. So here we have 3 also, and 2 is 2ab. So here it should be 2 square, that is 4. So 4x square. Okay. This is how you are going to do this fill in the. All the questions you have to do in your notebook. Okay, properly. Now next is